Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in an Apple Airtag. So if you get the box, pull out this little piece that's inside the box and then open it up, and that reveals your Apple Airtag. So it's just held in there by the cardboard, so just get your finger underneath that and pop it out. Okay, then this is the actual Apple Airtag, and then with your thumbs on each side and your forefinger behind, just press down on the shiny silver piece there and push down and turn with your thumbs so that the silver piece, the shiny silver piece rotates, and then the white piece stays still, and that'll ensure that you've unlocked the top. And you pull that open like so, and inside it there is the battery that you can replace. It's a CR2032. If I turn that over, and there with my thumb, out comes the old battery, and I'll get my new batteries, which is the same as CR2032. Out comes the battery, and just put it in and make sure that the positive side is up. Is a positive, and you see the CR2032, that's up as well. The new battery's in, just need to put the top back on, and the back of the top, there's sort of 3 lugs there that need to line up with the 3 holes on the white piece of this Apple Airtag. So just sort of lock them in, that's it, like so, and then push it down again, the same as you did when you opened it, and then spin the silver piece around. Spin the silver piece around like so, until that top piece is locked back into position, and then pop it back in your little cardboard holder, fold it back up and put it inside the box. But anyway, that's the way to replace a battery on an Apple Airtag. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.